Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of my channel. From yesterday night, Waziper QR code not working. So our team find the solution for this and our QR code is working. Now this Waziper QR code is working. I will show in another panel. In this panel, QR code is not working and now I will show you how can I fix and this is working again. In this QR code is not working. When I will update the files, then QR code is working. So this is the error. The system cannot generate a WhatsApp QR code. This error is globally found when yesterday night some changes in web WhatsApp. Now our QR code is working. We changing the one file from server files. Now we check our QR code is working. You can see our QR code is working when we update a file in a server file. If you are facing same issue, you can contact with us and buy server files